today, guess who is getting married? Drums. Jenny from Jenny's Girl, period. So she gave me a whole box and a gift to invite me to her wedding with Peter, and I am so excited. This is a Salter. So we're going to get to the main event, which is unboxing the box. So first, and this is the perfume. I'm so excited to figure out how it smells like, and then a whole bottle of champagne. Wow. And then of course,
all right, so I'm with Angel at Erica's birthday party. What's up, Angel?
what's up? How you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing very well. Okay, I want to get a little laid back with you right now. So I'm going to ask you some very interesting questions. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, so there's this word. It is.
You to tell me who to be. If someone just hold me. I'm superwoman. I know I'm strong. I know I've got this cause I've had it all along. I'm phenomenal and I'm enough.
I'm having the fucking time of my life. There's so much space around my waist area. But anyways, Pinky gets beats, period. Hi guys, it's Angel, and today I want you to unbox this Oppo gift box with me. So, first off, we have the jar of fruits from Oppo. Then we have a thank you. JK, shine your eye out, Smith. Why are you holding shine your eye out, Smith, like that?